Hello my dear students, I am Aisha, lecturer in MCA Society Institute of Pharmacy, is come up with the importance of pharmaceutical jurisprudence. I thought you must have to understand the importance of pharmaceutical jurisprudence, that's why here I am. The learning objective of this session is, after completion of this session, the student will be able to express the importance of each act and rules under the pharmaceutical jurisprudence. Now, let's talk about the reflection spot. Why? Why pharmaceutical jurisprudence? What is the importance of pharmaceutical jurisprudence in pharmacy profession? My dear students, just think about that and get your answer by your own. And give the answer after the complete discussion of this session. When we talk about the pharmaceutical jurisprudence, we should clear about the terminology of jurisprudence. Pharmaceutical jurisprudence is derived from the Latin word jurisprudentia, where juris means law and prudentia means knowledge. So, pharmaceutical jurisprudence is the branch of pharmacy which deals with knowledge of law related to drug and pharmaceuticals. It also controls and regulates the pharmacy profession. Pharmaceutical jurisprudence is the legal system of law applied in pharmaceutical areas. When we talk about the pharmaceutical jurisprudence, one question arises in my mind, that is, can you imagine pharmacy profession without the jurisprudence? So, my answer will be no. We cannot imagine the profession without the jurisprudence. My dear students, just think on the perspective and let's tell your answer after the complete discussion of this session. Now, let's see about the importance of pharmaceutical jurisprudence. Pharmaceutical jurisprudence provides protection to the people. It confers right access to healthcare facilities. It promotes healthcare. It also provides surveillance over quality of healthcare. Pharmaceutical jurisprudence provides finance to health. It has a significance of professional ethics. The embedded code of pharmaceutical ethics means, my dear students, you can understand the greatness of pharmaceutical jurisprudence while see different points under the importance of pharmaceutical jurisprudence. This is directly related with the community and healthcare system. Now, we need to see the various rules and law under the pharmaceutical jurisprudence. The first one is the pharmaceutical legislation in India. In pharmaceutical legislation in India, the legislation is directly proposed by a legislative body. Next is the professional ethics. In the professional ethics, the critical study of Code of Pharmaceutical Ethics, which is drafted by Pharmacy Council of India, so that every professional can follow the ethics. The another important rule and law under the pharmaceutical jurisprudence is the Pharmacy Act. In the Pharmacy Act, we can understand the regulation, working of state and central council, constitution of these councils, and the function. In the Pharmacy Act, we can also understand the registration procedure under the Act. Next, another important act is the Drug and Cosmetic Act. In the Drug and Cosmetic Act, we can understand retail and wholesale distribution of the drugs. We can also understand the powers of inspectors and the formalities of obtaining licenses under the rule. In the D&C Act, we can also understand the different schedules and the salient features of labeling and storage condition. Next is the Drug and Magic Remedies Act. In the Drug and Magic Remedies Act, we can understand the prohibited and permitted advertisement and the different diseases which cannot be claimed to be cured. Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substances Act. Act of Parliament of India that prohibit a person to produce, manufacture, cultivate, possess, sell, purchase, transport, store, and or consume of narcotic drug and psychotropic substances. The another act is the Poisonous Act. The Poisonous Act include the control of import, distribution, manufacture, and the sale of poison. Next is the Drug Price Control Order. In the Drug Price Control Order, we can understand the achievement of adequate production and regulation of equitable distribution. These are the important rules and law under the pharmaceutical jurisprudence which we will see in detail later.